Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video we're going to have a quick look at how you can change the front wiper blades on this Lexus CT200H. This is a 2013 model, and you may have this fancy design, but it's just normal like any other hook, the way it works. But to get your wiper blades in this position to begin with, you really want to, so let me just get the ignition on. So once I get the ignition on, the wipers go down. But what we want to do is basically, if you flick this up, obviously with your ignition on, you flick that up, your wiper blades will work. But what you want to do is flick that up and switch the ignition off once they are at this position. So if I get this on and switch the ignition off, the wiper remain at that position. That just, to be honest, that just makes it a little bit easier for us to remove the wiper blades. So then you can pull your wiper blade up, and then what we have here is this little locking mechanism. If you press it and open it, this opens like a little cup. So you press it on the two corners and you flick it up, and then you can see the mechanism in here. What you really need to do then is just push this back like so and get your wiper blade out. So since I'm doing it with one hand, I'm just a little bit cautious here because I don't want to drop this arm onto the windscreen, but then that comes out like that. If you drop that on your windscreen, it will crack. So make sure you do it with two hands and be secure with it. So then you get your new wiper blades. These are Bosch ones, by the way. I don't really have new ones right now, and I don't really need them. Just making the video to show you how you can tackle this. So then you put it through there, and you want to hook it back into that place. So we want to hook this. You may have to fiddle a little bit with it for it to go in place. Okay, there we are. And then just push it forwards. It will sort of clip in there. It's not really clipping in too hard because you can obviously take it out that way. And then we put that little cover back on. So to release that, just press on the sides and take it out. It'll be a lot easier with two hands, and then put that down. And that's pretty much it. Same procedure for the other side. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask. There might be different designs that the way this fit, but if it's a hook, it's just a matter of unhooking it, basically. It may not have all this fancy stuff on it, but those are wiper blades. Most are the same, and we can then just get our ignition on, and those will go down to normal. And that's it. So we'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.